Hello, today we're talking about controlling your clutter so that when you do a clutter stop, it'll be so much easier. So what you want to do is control where you drop things. Look around and say, this is where my kids' shoes always end up. If it's by the front door, let's put a little basket there so the shoes can go in the basket. If they're dropping their coats on the floor by the front door, let's put some hooks there. If you're dropping your purse somewhere, let's put a little table there. Look around in your bedroom. Is your husband dropping his clean and dirty clothes on the floor? How about some hooks in the closet for him to put his clean clothes back on, and then the dirty clothes you can take away to the laundry. Some people have put laundry baskets for their spouses. That may or may not work. Either way, come up with a plan. So that's what I want you to do. Think about where your clutter collects. Is it on the countertop? Do you have a place to put your appliances once they cool off after you use them, if you're not using them regularly? You know, that is going to help control the clutter on your countertops. So look around. Do you need towels at a lower spot for your children? How about some low hooks? Let's control our drop zones. Have a great day.